Are you planning to buy a new car in 2025? Hold up. Some vehicles may look sleek, but under the hood, they're financial nightmares. Today, we'll reveal 4 cars to avoid at all costs, followed by 3 smart choices you'll thank yourself for. These picks are backed by real-world data, owner complaints, and Consumer Reports insights. Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV. The EQE SUV promised premium EV luxury, but it's fallen short. For a brand known for excellence, this electric model feels unfinished and overpriced. Many owners have reported issues in performance and reliability early on. Despite its futuristic name, the power delivery is underwhelming compared to rivals. Handling lacks the finesse expected from Mercedes, especially in its class. Range is average, and regenerative braking feels inconsistent. It's not the engaging luxury EV experience buyers expect. The EQE SUV wears a polarizing look. Some find it stylish. Others see a bloated egg. Its blanked-out grille and smooth lines are futuristic, but not universally loved. Build quality appears premium, but panel and trim misalignments have been reported. For the price, the styling doesn't scream standout. Inside, you get the signature hyperscreen and advanced tech, but at the cost of physical buttons. It feels sterile rather than luxurious, with an over-reliance on touchscreens. Rear seat room is tight compared to competitors like the BMW X. Some features lag in responsiveness or require software updates to work properly. For a $80K plus price tag, it simply doesn't deliver the experience it should. Luxury buyers are turning to other brands with better performance and reliability. From electric luxury to mainstream disappointment, our next car is a budget fail that's costing owners big. Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta has long been a budget-friendly favorite, but not anymore. 2025 models are facing increasing quality concerns and lackluster updates. It's being outclassed by rivals in every key area. Underpowered engines and a dull drive make this compact sedan feel dated. The base engine lacks responsiveness, and the ride becomes choppy on rough roads. Fuel economy is decent, but not enough to offset its other flaws. The lack of hybrid or AWD options further reduces its appeal. The design hasn't evolved, still boxy, basic, and uninspired. Even the facelift feels like a patch rather than meaningful progress. Base trims come with bland wheels and limited lighting features, making it look like a car stuck in 2018. Cabin materials are mostly hard plastics, and the controls feel outdated. The touchscreen is low quality, and the infotainment software often lags. While the back seat room is decent, nothing about the interior feels current or premium. Even the safety features lag behind those found in Japanese rivals. Too little, too late. The Jetta isn't keeping up with what modern drivers expect. Better options exist at the same price, or even lower. From underwhelming sedans to expensive electric headaches, the next car stings both your wallet and your expectations. Porsche Taycan. Yes, it's fast. Yes, it's beautiful. But the Taycan is one of the most overhyped EVs of its time. Despite Porsche's sporty DNA, the Taycan comes with some major pain points. Real-world range and reliability are turning buyers away. While it offers insane acceleration and precise handling, classic Porsche traits, battery range drops quickly under spirited driving. Charging infrastructure still lags behind Tesla's network, and heat-related battery degradation is a growing concern. There's no denying the Taycan's appearance, sleek curves, wide stance, and an aggressive front end that turns heads. But even small part replacements, like hood sensors, cost a fortune, and the low-slung front end is vulnerable to scrapes in everyday city driving. Minimalistic yet premium, the interior is visually stunning, but overly digital. Multiple screens dominate the dashboard, which can overwhelm even tech-savvy users. Rear seat space and trunk capacity are tight for a vehicle in this price range. Despite the futuristic vibe, it lacks everyday practicality. Porsche's EV experiment still needs refinement. At this price, range anxiety and high repair costs are deal breakers. We've covered electric misfires and sedans stuck in the past. But the next one is a surprising letdown from a brand we usually trust. Nissan Ultima. The Ultima once stood for reliable, affordable performance, but it's lost its identity. In 2025, it continues to slide in quality, tech, and overall value. Stiff competition in the midsize sedan segment has left it behind, and buyers are noticing. The CVT transmission remains its biggest complaint, noisy, laggy, and unrefined. Handling is average, and its engine options fall short compared to rivals. Even with available AWD, it doesn't feel connected or responsive. While fuel economy is acceptable, it's no longer a standout feature. The Ultima's sharp lines are still present, but the overall vibe feels dated. It tries to come off sporty, but lacks true originality. Base trims appear stripped down and visually dull. When stacked against Hyundai or Kia's latest midsize sedans, the Ultima feels outclassed. Inside, cheap materials dominate most trim levels. The infotainment system feels tacked on with a small, clunky screen. Rear legroom is fine, but overall comfort and cabin quality trail behind rivals like Toyota and Honda. Even in the higher trims, it feels more like a rental car than a refined personal vehicle. The Ultima doesn't stand out anymore. It's not the worst car, but with so many better options available, why settle? Lexus ES. The Lexus ES continues to be one of the most well-rounded sedans money can buy. It blends luxury, comfort, and reliability like no other in its class. If you want a vehicle that feels premium without the premium headaches, the ES is it. Let's break down why it's such a standout. Smooth V6 or efficient hybrid, both deliver power with silence. The ride is butter smooth thanks to advanced suspension tuning. It's not a performance car, but it's composed and controlled, perfect for commuting or long-distance cruising. Sharp, refined lines and a bold spindle grille give it presence. Premium LED headlights and sleek wheels enhance the upscale look. The paint finish and panel fit scream quality. It's understated, elegant, and timeless. Quiet, plush, and meticulously crafted. Everything feels premium. The seats are supportive, and every surface is soft to the touch. A large touchscreen, physical controls, and a top-tier Mark Levinson audio system complete the cabin. You sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. It offers luxury-level refinement at a reasonable price with bulletproof reliability. If you want long-term peace of mind, this car nails it. Want something with a bit more performance, but still just as reliable? The next pick balances thrills and trust. Mazda CX5. The CX5 is proof that a compact SUV can be practical, stylish, and fun to drive. Mazda continues to outshine the competition with premium build and great value. This SUV is for drivers who want substance with style. And in 2025, it's better than ever. Taut handling, refined steering, and two strong engine options make it a joy. The turbocharged version especially offers punchy acceleration. Even with AWD, it stays nimble and responsive. Fuel efficiency remains solid across trims. The Kodo design philosophy keeps this SUV looking athletic and upscale. Clean body lines and a sporty front end give it real curb appeal. Paint quality is rich and deep, especially the signature red. You'd never guess it's priced like a mainstream SUV. Near luxury materials and intuitive design elevate the cabin experience. Quiet at highway speeds, with firm yet comfortable seating. Infotainment is responsive, and newer models have updated screen tech. It feels way more expensive than it is. Drivers love it because it blends reliability, premium feel, and great driving dynamics. It's a driver's SUV that's also smart, safe, and built to last. Now, let's move to a car that delivers pure driving satisfaction, performance, and premium appeal in one thrilling package. BMW X6. The BMW X6 is for those who crave performance and luxury in an SUV body. It's not just about presence, it delivers the driving experience to match. And in 2025, BMW has fine-tuned this beast even further. Let's see why it's one of the best luxury SUVs to buy. Powerful turbocharged engines and BMW's precision handling set it apart. The X6 feels athletic in corners, yet comfortable on long hauls. xDrive AWD offers confidence in all conditions. It's fast, smooth, and rewarding. Its coupe-like silhouette makes it stand out from traditional SUVs. Aggressive lines, sharp creases, and signature LED lighting complete the look. Optional M Sport trims make it even more dynamic visually. It's sporty without being over the top. Luxurious leather, ambient lighting, and BMW's intuitive iDrive system elevate the experience. Front seats are deeply bolstered yet incredibly comfortable. Panoramic roof, high-res displays, and soft-touch finishes everywhere. It's techy, cozy, and premium all at once. The X6 is bold, fast, and premium, yet practical enough to daily. If you want a fun-to-drive SUV that makes a statement, this is it. Consumer Reports backs all three of these picks with above-average reliability, high owner satisfaction, and strong predicted resale values. The Lexus ES and Mazda CX5 consistently score top marks in overall dependability. The BMW X6, while premium-priced, offers strong scores in road tests and owner satisfaction for its class. When you're investing in your next ride, data-backed confidence matters, and these three deliver. So there you have it, 4 cars to steer clear of, and 3 smart, satisfying choices that deliver comfort, performance, and peace of mind. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a breakdown like this. Until next time, drive smart and choose wisely.